Hey guys, so I made a video the other day and it was super long and it looked like a straight up hobo, and I was basically trying to explain to you how I was repurposing a chair and 2 tables and what kind of chalk paint I was using and what kind of wax and what I was doing, and y'all don't want to watch all that, I promise. So I'm just scrapping that whole thing. I'm just coming right here and make a super short video so that if you're at home and you're wanting to do some things that are kind of crafty that might bring you a little bit of income too, that you can go for it. So I'm gonna throw up a before picture of a set that I bought off of Marketplace. I think I paid the lady $20 for it. It was a table and 4 chairs. But then when I repurposed it, I only did 2 chairs and the table because I'm kind of getting back into the swing of things. So I'm gonna show the before, show the after, and then I'm just gonna explain to you guys how I did it. So stay tuned.
In this particular piece, it wasn't solid wood through and through. The bottom was solid wood, the top was not. And the chairs were kind of a mix of in between. But you see, when you chalk paint it and you take it apart, it really cleans up well. So I used Waverly chalk paint from Walmart. I recently bought some Annie Sloan and I'm going to try and start using that. It's a little bit better quality, but for this I was just, doing a quick flip and it worked. So I used white on the chairs and the tabletop, and then I went over the tabletop with the Waverly brown colored wax. I just used an old cut up t-shirt, and I might have even used paper towel, I can't remember. And I just went over the top in long strokes, and so I think it turned out pretty well. As far as the bottom of the table and the seats of the chair, I actually just stained it with a dark colored wood stain, and then I used an oil-based polyurethane because I couldn't find my water-based one. So for a resale project, I have no idea how much I'm going to get when I resell this on Marketplace, but I'll update you guys on the YouTube description. And honestly, for the price that I paid for the materials, this was a really cheap flip, and I think the table looks way better. So just something I do for fun, something I do to make a little bit of money on the side, and I want to be able to share with you guys that if you have a crafty spirit, you can make a little bit of money too.